How are you doing today, Grandma?
I'm fine.
Okay. How is this hurricane so far?
It's blowing.
It's blowing.
It's wet.
It's wet?
Who is this young lady right there? Hey, Grandma.
Hey, baby.
How you doing?
I'm good. Hi, I'm Devin's mother. And we're sitting here enjoying Irma with these $1 million Cheetos.
Hey, baby.
Hey, hey.
What is that? Who is that? Who is that? Say, uh-oh. No?